In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade OKX spot trading to make profit. By the end of this video, you know what OKX spot trading is and how to make money from it. And before I do so, this is Friday Gist, and on this channel, I make video about cryptocurrency and you can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please do it to subscribe and turn the bell icon. And I want you to watch it to the end. If at any time you have any question, comment it down in the comment section. I'm going to answer your question. So to do spot trading on OKX, the first step is to open up your OKX app. Then after that, ensure that you have funds. You have funds, or the crypto asset you want to trade should be on your trading wallet. If you hit on the assets right here, you can see we have the trading wallet and the fund wallet. Show all your funds you want to use for trading on spot should be on your trading wallet. After then, hit on this button right here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the OKX spot trading. As you can see, the OKX spot trading, all these things. Okay, let me start by explaining. Okay, this first part is what we call the chart right here, where you can read charts and all those stuff. And on this place is the 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart. Like this candlestick, and if you put this in 15 minutes, maybe each of these candlesticks represents 15 minutes. Put this in 1 hour, it means each of those candlesticks is going to show represents 1 hour you get, and this for 4 hours and 1 day. Well, on this place is what we call a market pair, where you can choose the coin, the crypto you want to trade. You get to trade the crypto pair. You can also trade BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, anyone else. You can also decide to search for the one you want to trade, either Solana, BNB, or anyone. You get, just tap on it, anyone you want to trade. You can decide to search for it. If it's available, it's going to show Solana, BTC. Anywhere you want to trade, this is where you get to select it on this place. And on this place called the market, it's called the order book. Why yes, so you actually place order. You get on this place, we have the buy and we have the sell. You get if you please note on spot trading, to make profit on spot trading, all you have to do is to buy a particular coin, particular crypto at a lower price, and then sell it off at a higher price. Then that's the way you can make profit. You get, that's where you make profit. Even in real life, when you are doing business, what you do is to buy a product, then sell it at a higher price, then get profit. Same thing that applies here. What you do is to buy a particular coin at a price and sell it off at a higher price. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that right now. So first, let's change this to our TRS USDT. Let me use that as an example on this video. Okay, let me use BTC USDT as an example for this. So I just have to search for it. BTC USDT pair. You get, those are saying the funds you want to use should be on your trading. You get, this means that I'm trading BTC USDT. This means that I'm using USDT to purchase BTC. You get, the one that is down here is what I use it to purchase one that is up. You understand? So just as I said, this is the buy and the sell. You get, we are buying and selling. To buy and sell, we have different orders. You get, if I click on it, you can see you have the limit order, market order, take profit and loss, and all of this stuff. So I'm going to display the limit order and the market order. You get, so on the limit order, this first one, the limit order means if you want to buy okay, let me go over to this order. On this order book right here, you have this place on red and this place on green. This place on red means people that are selling their crypto, people that are selling TRS. You get, this is what this shows, people that are selling TRS and the prices that are selling. Why these people that are buying TRS, and this is the current market value. So it's BTC, the people that are selling BTC, and these people that are buying BTC, and this is the current market value for it. The market price for BTC right now is $64,710. You get, so on this place that say on the limit, or on this place that say price USDT, on this place you can set the specific amount that you want to buy the BTC. If BTC is 64,762, but you don't want to buy at this price, you want to buy at a much lower price, maybe you want to buy at 63,000. You get, you can this is the place where you can actually set it. If you want to buy at 64,000, you get, on any amount you want to buy. This is the place where you get to set the price, you understand. On this place you can put the amount of BTC you want to buy, or you can use this slider to select how much of your USDT you want to spend to purchase BTC. If you do this normally, the amount of BTC you will buy, the purchase will be shown on this place. But because I don't have USDT on my account, so that is why the price is not showing. After fixing all of this, the next step for you to do is to use on buy BTC. Automatically, it's going to you're going to see the order on this place, on below here. So enter the price, gets to the price you set on this. Enter this particular price, gets to the price you sell it, or are equivalent. Enter this price is anytime this price is equivalent to this price, I'm going to purchase the BTC. Get for the sell is the same thing. Get the sell allows you on this sell. This where you sell the BTC that you have purchased. You get. So on this price is this where you say where you want to put the specific amount you want to sell your BTC. If you want to sell it for 65,000, you get. You have to put it on this place. It's right the way above the market price. You get. You have to put it at this place. You get. This way you set the price you want to sell your BTC. On this place, you sell the amount of BTC you want to sell, and hit on the sell BTC to sell. You get. Well, let me go back to buy. Well, on this place called the limit order. Sorry, the market order. On the market order, the market order does not give opportunity for you to set the price at which you want to buy or sell. You get. The market order, I use the market price to either buy or sell. You can see your market price when you put it on market order, the amount of BTC you want to buy, you get, it's just you're using the market price to buy. You get. If you say I want to buy $100 worth of BTC, worth of BTC, I'm going to buy it at this current market price. You understand? So this particular one, if you want to sell your BTC immediately, if you want to buy immediately, use this one. You get. Use market order. Also for the sell, so if you want to sell immediately, use this one. This one will allow you to sell using the current market price. So guys, these are the limit and the market order works. You understand? So to make money from this, all you need to do is to look for cryptocurrency where to buy at a lower price. Sorry, to buy at a lower price. Then once the coin pumps, then you sell it off. You understand? So guys, this is for this video. If you find it helpful, do to like and subscribe. Yet if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to answer your question. Finally this year. Peace out.